Hey, 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 hey. Recording, streaming, good. Refresh, refreshing, recording, streaming, refreshing. All of that. Just where is my setting up things as well? Come on, OBS, help me, help me, help me, help yourself. How do I dock it? Please dock. Allow me to dock it, please. Here. Yeah, good. And here. Below, oh, above, wherever. Oh, there's two of them. Now, let's just have this one. Nope. Okay, again. No, sorry. This is good. Okay, I have my favorite setup done. So I'm doing this website again, back to it. I worked on it a couple of days now. I mean, a couple of hours, I would say, not days. So I've added this like really nice animation here. And this section, my wife asked it to be on the light blue. We have section on front page to be on blue color. It's in our what? Theme. Yeah, let's see. So it's gonna. Are you gonna make it prettier or not? Okay, where's my video? Okay, so I think maybe I should be here. This is actually, yeah, I think it's covering the list. This is just like the files here. Yeah, let's be here from now on. I'm moving. Yeah, I moved to other place. Yeah, I think that's the one, is it? Yeah, let's see. Yeah, the refresh in Gatsby is not really the quickest, but I think I can live with that. And let's just have output here. Working? Good. Working. Audio is fine. Video seems to be okay. Are you ready? Gatsby, come on. Good. Okay. Ooh, now this is ugly. Yeah, okay. So I will do the stuff myself a bit. This used to be like instant. Like, what's happening to this extension? It used to be instant. There's a theory that all the software gets shittier. I think I'm close to. That's probably what I think now as well. There's a lot of shitty software out there. And maybe maybe there will be more because there is more vibe coding online out there. Maybe not. Okay, this section. Padding. Let's have 24 px. Oh, okay, that's nicer. Maybe can I have like 20, like 12? 8. 8 will do. Yeah. Yeah, I like this theme. Okay, so there will be 8, 12, 24. What's the name? Workshop section. Workshops section. Hi. This website. It will be done today. Oh, let's just drop an post so people know that I'm here. YouTube. I interviewed Uncle Bob. Good. Create a post. My the product slash the website from last Saturday, from yesterday. I will deploy it today and connect domain and DNS. Is it no DNS, not domains, domain. Yeah, good. It's actually part 3. Yeah, let's rename this thing part 3. Is it? No. Vibe coding new online shop. Okay, so no, it's not part 3. So that's how I'm calling it. There's part 2 before. That's probably part 3. Okay. And so what was the... Yeah, I think this should actually refresh now. Oh, I wanted to change the background workshop section. Padding. Oh, okay, this should be padding. Padding, it's like, I don't know, 12, 0. This doesn't seem to be... Yeah, this should, like, I was just testing it and it seemed fine. Yeah, so what's wrong with this padding here? So I changed the padding actually. Why is this so slow? Section, yeah, workshop section. Oh, like that's pixels obviously. X. Yeah, now it should be, although it will actually refresh slowly with Gatsby. That's the one thing I don't like about Gatsby. It's like the... I wonder if I actually work with, because I'm using dev. Like I did start. What about if I go serve? npm run serve. Is this script different? Because, yeah, this is good. This is good. That's actually what my wife asked. She likes this color for some reason. I mean, it's fine. That's about her. This button should be blue, light blue. And this, okay. Also, I like the styling on section, but mainly and what's the, how do I call it even? There is a nice subheading, nice styling. Let's make sure that all headings on all pages look same. Use the same pages. Use the same styling as this one. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I like this part. It's very pretty actually. So I think that's all this, this should probably use the similar one, although this text is not very visible. Yeah, let's see how it does it actually. So this is like main button or what? About me button. Okay. Słucham.
Znaleźć różnicę.
Słońce, motyl, ogon,
I otoczyć to.
ogon, słoń, tutaj jest w innej stronie, tutaj zamknięte oczy, tutaj niżej, tutaj słońce, motyl. Coś jeszcze? Chyba tyle.
A łapy?
No tu nie ma tutaj łapy, no.
A
Trzymaj.
buzię znalazłeś?
Znalazłem, zakręciłem buzię. Trzymaj.
Może być twoje.
Okej, super. Oh, nie? This is not the same. Oh, I actually changed to the serve. Although like this didn't seem to work last time when I tried it. No, doesn't work like on 9,000. Is it? Yeah, 9,000 here. Doesn't seem. So why is it telling me that? Oh, okay. You can view in the browser. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, okay, let's just skip it. I have a serve script in my package JSON, and when it's run, it says that I can page on port local 9000, but when I run it's not working. Yeah, okay, well, figure it out, I guess. I hope it does. Let's see how good it is in fixing scripts. Like npm run serve. Yeah, that's that script. It's exiting obviously after a second. Okay, just run npm run dev. Let it figure it out. Run start. Good. Node here. Yeah, so this is. It says that it's available on 9,000, but it's not really working there. Yes, no such file or directory start. Okay, so there should be. Yeah, okay, that's the serve script. This one, let it brew for a minute. Yeah. Come on, go, work, leave. Okay, maybe music. My programming music for now. Yeah, okay, okay. Well, music. Bloom. So, okay, I wonder if it will figure it out. I think it doesn't. Doesn't seem to. Is this 8,000 working now? Not here, not here. Okay, I think it's here. Good. Okay, this is cool, although... Okay. It's like... Okay, there's just one thread. Okay, stop it. No. Restore checkpoint. Good. But the titles and subtitles should be left aligned. Dobra. Yeah, good. Dobra means Polish. Good. I mean, like, sometimes I think like I would do it quicker myself. And I will have to provide images here. Events. Oh yeah, I have another event. So actually, I have this one, pisanki, and hero banner, and this one is about pająki. So okay, let's just have another one with pająki. So I'll have 2 events for now, and then we will expand it. Pająki. No. No, probably not. No. 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 Okay, that was good, I think. Okay, Canva. Yeah, I think I have it on Canva. On my wife's Canva. New window. No, not this one. New window. Nowe okno. This one will be on my wife and her Canva. Yeah, good. And I think that's the one. Is this like... That's a video, isn't it? Yes, that's a video. So this was the... Yeah, okay, I think that's the one. Let's just have another one here. And let's just export this one. I think like I could give it... Edit. Adjust temperature. No. Tint. I think brightness could improve a bit. I think I would like it a bit more bright. Yeah, and let's just share this. Page 2, current page, yes. Oh, that's not actually, I don't want it. I just want a JPEG. Oh, it will allow me, good. Yeah, okay, I'll just copy this to my folder. Sorry. And now, I think where's my website? Here, Szklarnia, website, source, images, pisanki and pająki. open with GIMP. Yeah, I will make it just smaller so it's quicker to load. It's obviously quicker to load like 200 kilobytes. Or how much is this one? 300 kilobytes. Then this one is even smaller. Okay, but this is so actually like it was actually this one, despite it's more pixels, it's actually more compressed. Yeah, okay, that's good. And image canvas size, where is the, let's flatten the image, maybe it will be smaller. Print size, canvas size, yeah, where is this? Yeah, okay, I think that's here. That's 900 will do. Oh no. Image, picture, yeah, it's supposed to be here. Oh yeah, scale image, yes. 900. Yeah, scale. And file. Export as, yes. And that was Pionki, export. I wonder if it's gonna make it bigger. No, oh yeah, it depends what the quality I choose. Obviously, yeah, somewhere here-ish. Export. I think it's just gonna be the same. The square changes. Yeah, okay, that's 95. Yeah, okay, wherever. I think that's fine. Both of them are fine. Okay, let's just add another event. That's from my wife's Instagram, obviously. My lovely wife's Instagram. Oh, here. Instagram. Instagram. I mean, it's not my wife. I mean, that's my wife, obviously. But I just want to have... last year we had this event. Pisanki, yeah. Pisanki. So let's just... it's gonna be 2 days. I'll have to build a... Yeah, I will have to build like a... What's the name? Oh, like the... I will connect it to Stripe. Maybe today. Let's hope I can actually... let's just do it today, maybe. That it will allow to... Or maybe not Stripe, actually. I think I was planning to do PayU. I'll have to learn this one. It's a... I think it's in Poland and maybe a couple of other countries, but this website is mostly for Poland anyway. And I think it's actually dealing quite well with that kind of international payments anyway. You know, you can do Visa and stuff. So if someone pays for something from outside of Poland, from abroad, then we can deal with that. I have another event for 1/3 and 1 for March. This is description from last year. We'll also change the price to 1200. Yeah, just make it the same. Okay, so I don't need to add... Oops, no. Okay. We'll also change last year. And 14 March. Yeah, let's just add it. The photo. For it is in images /4. Is it workshops? Warsztaty. pisanki.jpg. La 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 la. I will add the new Pisanki Easter egg decoration event for March 13th. Let me check the current event structure. I'm live, although no one seems to be joining me so far, but probably later. Maybe after the break, maybe in 5 minutes I'll have a break after half an hour. I'll grab a coffee, and in the meantime, everyone will come. Yeah, okay. Keep. Now let's just start redesigning this event page, because I think it's quite disgusting. I mean, not disgusting, but you know. Wydarzenia, warsztaty. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so why doesn't it use image? Okay. Can we read the each item redesign on events page so they look like events on front page? Also, let's display image in individual video event page. Yeah, let's see how it actually does it. So that's not really the same. Dziękuję. A kawę?
Jeszcze nie.
Okay. This one per person doesn't make sense. This development tool is just like, sorry for eating, actually. I just had a... My wife brought me some nice cakes. I wonder if it's just because I'm making her website, or... I mean, she would do that anyway. She's a nice lady. Why is it actually saying per person? Yeah, let's just remove that. Per person, I don't like that. And here as well. Now it's gonna refresh. This refresh thing is quite annoying. That's the one thing I don't like about Gatsby. And oh, now it refreshed quickly. I don't know. Maybe when I do it. Oh, maybe when AI does it, it's just like taking too long time because it's actually doing multiple things. So maybe small things I should be doing myself. Small changes. Wynajem, wydarzenia. Yeah, that doesn't show them here. Yeah, still. No, I don't have it. Unless I have to refresh. Okay, maybe I have to. Nope. Oh, here, yeah. Actually, on front page I will have a different alignment. On front page, let's have div. Oh, actually, that's fine. I think I like it. Although, like now the events page doesn't make sense. Although, I think that one thing that it does, it's like later I can just move past events into different tab. Let's see each event. Yes, I think that's good. Oh, okay. Okay, so this one, where does it specify image? Oh, here. Pisanki, Pająki. Okay, that's the same location as this. Pająki. Oops, no, it's not an array. Huh, not array. Okay, this, I don't like this color. Additional section. Oh, this is not really nicest. So that's, I like accent. I don't like this accent light, to be honest. Wherever it says accent light, I should actually do light. Let's just replace it to accent. Like a big sweep. Oh no, don't exclude that. Replace. Yeah, sometimes it's loading quickly and like sometimes when I'm changing stuff it's too slow. Here I'm back, good to see you. Right, item alert. We've been here yesterday and the day before, that's some good. Oh no, I think you were just yesterday. But yeah, it's good to see you again. I'm currently working on a startup idea and currently iterating through with models. So yeah, how is how is your startup stuff going on? Sorry for eating. I have those cakes here. My wife brought them, and they're just so nice, so delicious that I can't stop myself. So, this is good. Although I'm not sure about this events page. Let's see what sort of events I can. Actually, this is good. This is better for the front page. Front page. Let's have the event tiles one another. Yeah. In 3 columns, image above the title and button. Price and not the button, it's like a link. Let's see again here. Oh, come on. Why is it so slow? Yeah, this is nasty in terms of like, oh, it's processing some images. Does it have to, like, that's shrinking it? Maybe that's one of the tricks it does. It's shrinking them, but I don't really need to do it now, I guess. I'm just going and it's just going not very well. I have to look up for my colleague's stuff also. Okay. So you have like a job or something that you have to take care of, but and then in the meantime, after a job, you actually do your thing. Did I get it right? Go on, work. Oh, here, yes. No, this is ugly. Oh, so that was the previous one was Ascent. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have to undo my previous trade. This is actually other way around. And Ascent Light. That's what we have to. No, I don't get that actually now. Okay, let's just go to my theme and see how it's actually looking there. So I don't really like something here. Where is it? Colors here. Oh, so that's the. Oh, I have two accents. Yeah, that's how it should be. Yeah, kind of silly. This is not really nicest design. Now it's cutting them out. So I will actually have just 3 columns. And see more. Price date. See more. Yeah, okay, let's just redesign this thing. Oh, college stuff. Sorry, I actually read incorrectly. It's a college, not colleague. So you have to learn as well. But it's actually good that you are working on your thing. That's, you know, make sure to release it and just, you know, look for customers. That's I think that's something that I should do it myself more often, you know. When I build something, try to find customers for it. Don't be shy. You know, if people are interested in that kind of product, maybe it's worth to actually give it away, like sell it, give it away even, like sometimes. That's a nice thing. Like over the years, I've built so many tools that I just could use, and like then I did nothing with them. I mean, not that many actually. I think like I've built, you know, I like recently I just realized I had 2 or 3 more ideas that I started and never finished. Some of the good ideas I didn't start even because I thought, okay, I will never finish them. That's a bad way of thinking, I guess. Yeah, and obviously not everything will be great, but like I see people actually release really like average stuff, and they manage to actually make some money with it. So okay, this button should be actually the same as the other ones, so I don't really like one. Why it's actually different color about me button? About me button. Go away. So the background color should be send and color, that's fine. And the hover should be secondary. Yeah, let's just have it darker. Just other way around. I think that was good. Oh, actually, I think I'm doing too many actions at one time. At the same time. Actually, this button should actually, when I hover over it, primary button. Yeah, let's just have a primary button. When we hover over it, it should actually primary button. Yeah. Okay, button. Yep. On hover, it should also have a bar. It should be a border always, basically. White border around. Border. Well, that should be white, I think. Just white. Oh, okay. Do I have a border somewhere else? Border none. Okay, so there's no border. I don't need to put border radius. Oh, I have a, like, I didn't know that I have a mix in here for button. That's nice. And this is cool. Although, like, I think there should be a border now. It should have a border. Okay. Okay, let's just remove this bit from here. I'll just make it empty. This is silly. I'll just make it empty and just not show this section if it's empty, basically. Okay, what's the additional info for the first one? Yes. My startup project is related to voice dubbing agent for animation studios. So, do you happen to know someone can help me with that, or something like distributor or animation animer? No, I don't really know that kind of people, like animators and distributors. I know a guy who is good with audio, if you needed something like that. But not sure if I could actually help you with you know, that would be like a distributing it to the customers, like. Yeah, so I really can't think of one at this moment, you know? Maybe if I... Yeah, I don't really know many people in animation as such, you know? Oh, good. It's gone. Okay. Let's have a event in terms of, in a single event. Let's have text to the left and image to the right. Above the image, I should have a button saying book that will later be connected to payments. Below that button, we will say that booking is 50% of, you know, booking payments, so they can pay 50% of price. Booking, we'll say that it's 50%. Yeah, okay, let's see how it figures it out. Like some of my prompts are just so vague, or like it's just like my thinking, and I just sometimes I'm just hoping for my AI to actually guess what I mean. So that's, you know, it's sometimes I'm actually surprised how well it does. That's probably better. I think like my AI is better in understanding me than some people. Yeah. Yeah. I wish yeah. Sometimes I wish I knew more people in animation. That's really fun topic. That's something that I always liked. Yeah, if you meet them, send them my way as well. Yeah, it's a cool topic always. It always have been actually. Like sometimes I do animations with my family, like with my daughters. But you know, I don't know if it's your level actually. But I have something here even. Yeah, like maybe here. Yeah, that's actually what my daughter did other day. I gave her like a camera and I've set it up with lights and stuff. And you know, oh yeah, it's some sort of like a scary story of some Medusa. Medusa? No, they're not Medusa. They're, how are they called in English? Yeah. Okay. So I actually have to finish this one with audio. So maybe your app would be good for that. But yeah, the thing is, like, if you wanna talk about your app, I would be happy to actually talk to you on a podcast. I think that might be good. We can just have like a live stream where you show me actually how your app works, how you built it. I think that's interesting. You know, I could do live stream, and if you wanna promote it, I can edit it after that. So it's, you know, if we are not that, you know, or if we make mistakes, we can edit it, or you could edit it. Yeah, okay, let's see how it's redesigned. But yeah, if you want, like, I kind of, I'm interested in bringing people into my live stream, and I think it sounds like you have something interesting to show. Miejsce. Yeah, okay, I think I will just swap those two. Actually, this is good. I think this is good. And yeah, you know, guys, if anyone is watching that is also building his SaaS and want to talk, I would be interested actually to have a, you know, we can have a live stream. You will show your thing, then I will just like, I will edit it to shorter version and to like a podcast version, and we can release it. Yeah, I like that kind of format. I like those like, it's sometimes it might be even more interesting than, you know, me vibe coding. Like it's a nice thing, and I want to actually start doing like proper like weekly podcasts on the different topic. And I actually spoke to one guy that I work with on one project. This is actually the sound guy that I just mentioned, and we're gonna do one on probably a week after this, like next Monday. Actually, I think on the next Monday we're gonna do one, and we're gonna just see how it goes. You know, if we like the format, if we just have fun, and people watch it, we will actually be releasing them weekly. Okay. At the bottom of individual event, let's have also list of other events. Yeah, yeah, nice. Yeah, I seem to have a couple of people, but no one is actually interested, I guess. Actually, let's just have a poll. Would you like to watch? Wow, dziękuję. Masz talerzyk z powrotem, bo już mam jeden. Dziękuję, Mediko. to join me in a pod. Okay, I don't know, maybe. Would you watch? Would you watch about other people building their SaaS? Yeah, okay, yeah. And even the guy that I will have one next week, he's helping me to build another product. And I'm just sharing some percentage with him if we ever make money. For now, I'm just paying for it. But yeah, he's helping me with this. This is on free Vercel installation, which is why it has to first wake up. That's kind of annoying thing, but like that's the cost of free. If you want it free, it's gonna load to wake up the machine. Oh, this is okay. This is. Let's see how it's actually displaying those. It's ready. Oh yeah, good. Nice. Very nice. Very pretty. Yeah, okay. I think that I liked it. I like this page now. Wydarzenia. So this page is pretty. Let's see if actually I think I at one point was asked to redesign front page. Yes, so those are actually, yeah, this is nice. This is lovely. This is pretty and lovely and nice. I think we have to plan more events, upcoming events, and then past events will be sent to you know, past events with some gallery. So I will put galleries there. Yeah. In building your apps, I would be so yeah, I will just write it down on the chat. So I would be interested in having a where you could show your thing. Yeah, okay. So that's just to confirm. Like, yeah, if you have actually, if you're building something and want to share it, show it, and speak about it, please, yeah, let me know. I will actually, we can arrange a chat. I would like that actually. I would like to talk about those things, and you can show how you actually did it, what was the hard part, what would be actually valuable in this, and then if you are interested, we can even promote that. Yeah, we can even put some money into promotion. So, you know, if you want to sell it, like you could actually, it would be a good place for promotion. And like with YouTube, it's not that expensive to get some views on your video, if you know. So what we could do is like if we have a podcast, I could actually promote it, and then there is an option to put like a URL where it's gonna redirect people. So I could put your sales page or something in that video, and in comments below, obviously. I mean in the description below. So that's my offer. If anyone has anything interesting to show, I would be happy to actually. I'm just starting to learn things actually after a year's break. The basics first, then getting the vibe coding. Build the product. Don't go back to learning again. It's just like it's a busy work. Start building a product. You will learn much more, and you will learn specific things. So no, don't. I would say do other way. Do opposite what you just said. That's an okay. Let me just get that full from start. So like everyone knows what I'm talking about. Where's my OBS? Start recording. So I had a question from, what's his name? elevate with PBB. Oh shit, I wish I was better in reading. or like, what did I just do? No, just go back. Control 0. It just made it big. Shit, my chat got huge. Okay, maybe I can do it here. Okay. So yeah, that's response to elevate with PPB. Yeah, I'm just starting to learn things. Actually, after a year's break, maybe I should focus on learning the basics first, then getting the vibe coding. So what I would say, listen to this song obviously, but no, that's not my response. My response would be don't go learning. I mean, you can spend like a day or two learning, but like your main focus should be on building a product and building, because when you start building a thing, and I'm not talking about to-do app from the, React training or something like that. When you start building something actually useful, then you will have to learn a lot of things there. So if it's really like, if you don't remember anything, how to write a variable and but like, that's something that vibe coding will do for you. With vibe coding, obviously you are not learning that quick, as you're just not learning code exclusively, but you will still have to learn a lot of additional things. It's not going to be just, it's not 100% that it's just, it's not 100% that the code is not the only thing you will have to work on. So like engineering or like software engineering is not only writing code, it's also solving like deployment issues, how to scale images, how to make things appear quickly, just things like that. There's just multiple things you will have to learn. There's marketing after that if you want to release it. Here I have to do marketing as well. Same for Planero, same for this website that I'm just building now. We'll have to do some marketing. So this is additional stuff. So I think obviously depending what your goal is. If you just want to learn for corporate and you want to work for some company, probably learning a code will be useful. But if you want to build your own thing, I think it's much more useful to start building it. And if you have an idea, just start throwing it out there. Start talking about it, start building it. Even if it's vibe code, then, still do it. So maybe my response wasn't actually like, now after talking for a couple of minutes on that, my response should be actually depends what you want to do. If you have a product in mind, start building that product, and maybe just spend a day or two on basics, obviously, but then start writing with those basics that you learned, and do some vibe coding in places that you are not interested in learning at this point. And then start releasing it. I think that's going to be much more useful for you and for your career. Just don't do pure learning. If that's if you just, I think like if you are just doing like video tutorials or something, and then you don't apply it on your product or something, then you might be even wasting time, or you are not really spending it as efficiently as you should. I think you will learn much more by actually building something practical. And then there's something you can show, so if you're gonna do like 40 hours of Python learning, let's say, or JavaScript or something, there's nothing at the end that you could show to your employers if you want that, or there's nothing you can sell. But if you're gonna spend those like 5 or 10 hours or 2 or 3 hours on JavaScript or Python, and then the rest of the hours you will spend on your product, you will have actually something to show. Yeah. So that's my response. Thanks for the question. It was a great one. Really, I encourage you just to spend time building things anyway. Yeah, and you will learn as well. But yeah, there's much more value you will get, and especially if you are like a new on the market, or even if you are longer there. Like I've been working for 15 years, in software development after university, and sometimes I'm realizing, shit, there's so few apps I actually have running, or so few websites. I've been spending, and like sometimes we can build a website or an app in a couple of days, and there's actually very few that I have out there, because I've been working for some corporations, and there's really very few things to show. Thanks for your response. What is the product I should start with then? Oh, that's I can't really tell you what you should build. This is something that what really excites you. This is only criteria. If it excites you to build it, that's actually something you should build. So yeah, that's another response to the same guy. Thanks for what product I should start building, basically. So yeah, as I'm saying, like this, yeah, just build what excites you, build what you find interesting. If it's gaming, then you know, look for problems that needs to be solved there. If it's music, or if it's, I don't know, wherever, photography, look what's not there and what annoys you that is not there. Or speak to other people and like in the topic and see what actually other people say. But yeah, this needs to be something that at least excites you a bit, you know. Or you find maybe actually better one would be you find it needed to be built, or it's either you who wants to build it or some other people that need this building and they will pay money then to use it. That's probably a better way to actually approach that. Yeah, great question. Thank you. I will make a shirt out of it, so thank you for that. I will make 2 shirts out of what you asked for me. So keep on going if you want. I need more shirts. Shirts are actually good for promotion. So, but yeah, I also want to do this podcast. So if anyone is actually interested here to talk about their products and their solutions, their things, I will. It's actually fascinating to me. Yeah, even like I have a guy who is helping me with this, and we'll speak next week. And like he already created a couple of things, so he will be like he will talk about. We didn't merge those things yet, so some updates didn't merge yet. But even this stuff is very fascinating. How he approached it, you know. He calls himself junior, but he's actually building something useful for me. So I will be actually interested to see how he solved that issue, you know, that maybe he didn't know. Yeah, no problem. So I will celebrate that good question with a cake that my daughter brought me. So, and with coffee that my wife brought me. So, you know, yeah. Do you have an idea as to what like? Do you see any problems that you think you should solve? Oh, and actually, like another thing, if you see that it's already there, and you can improve it or change it or like do something about it, that's still fine, you know. I mean, as long as it's not another to-do app, basically, because there's billion of them, and you will not be able to do much with it, unless you really need it, basically. But there's obviously some utility in building like niche products, and this is actually what I'm trying to do. Obviously, my products are quite niche. I'm not really looking into replacing Microsoft. If I do, like, yeah, if I you know, if I take away some of the money from Bill Gates, that will be a good achievement, I think. He is a scumbag. We've seen recently in news, but yeah, if it's I'm not really looking into replacing, you know, big ones. For me, it's about, you know, building something fun and making a bit of money, so my, you know, I can pay mortgage and stuff. But maybe I will not need to go to another corporate job where I don't really like to work that much. I mean, you know, some corporate jobs are cool, some are fun, or some are like you don't really have to do that much, or you might learn with good people. This is really hard to say 100% how it's gonna be for you. But I think like if you wanna, I think much more fun is actually building your own things. Yeah, what was I going to do now? The problem with questions is they're good, and I actually forget what I was building in the background. So let's see my, I think I had localhost. Oh, sorry, 8,000. 8,000. And I had actually, what was my changes? Perfect. I've added section at the bottom, individual events. Oh, okay, that was a while ago already. So we had that. I think it's a pretty website now. This could be nicer. Yeah, okay. Use the style for heading and subheading in section on front page. In this case, let's make colors, make text colors white. Yeah, okay. So yeah, as I'm saying, I will be doing like a podcast. I really enjoy one. I enjoy actually live streams. They're fun, but then I can actually export that into like cut it down and make it a bit more concise. And I think I will actually start using more platforms, because I think, you know, even here I can see some interest. But if I actually, you know, start recording on, what's the other one? I was checking the other day, the other one for live streaming. Okay, I don't remember. There was Glitch. No, Glitch. No, the one that I think there's one even more popular than this. Glitch. But that's another one. Twitch, not Glitch. Yeah. Yeah, I think I will add Twitch too. I think I can actually record on both at the same time, so I will have to actually figure this out. Yeah, let's see actually how we have it now. Yeah, this refresh here is kind of slow. I don't like that in Gatsby. Although, like, I don't like the website. Warsztaty. Okay, so then this warsztat should be here, I guess. Okay, let's just do it myself. I think even to describe it, sometimes it takes longer. Like, sometimes I'm really annoyed that I'm using AI, because then I know that some things I could actually do quicker than it does. Ooh, this index is big. Whoa. Actually, the component is short, but the styling is a lot. There's a lot of styling. Yeah, normally I would actually, like in the past, I would actually do it slightly different, where I would have folders for each of them, and then in folder I would also have styling. Like when with bigger project, that's sometimes even better. Although, yeah, maybe not that much. Workshops. No, that's okay. Workshop heading. Yeah, let's have this actually on that. Yeah, and that's gonna be nicer, I think. So this will be actually white and with the line below. And this I don't need actually. I think that's unnecessary, because it's just taking, like, it keeps on piling on, and it's taking more space. Yeah, and this text is bigger actually, so let's just make the other one bigger as well. Oh, this is this is the worst of all. Like, I absolutely hate how long it's loading this tool. I wonder if it's because it's if I go F12 here. Yeah, no, this is much quicker. Maybe that's because I'm developing with Gatsby. This is really annoying. About me title, so it should be just normal title. Okay. Font size free RAM. Okay. Font size free RAM, and here this should also be this size. Workshop heading. Okay, there's just too much styling. That's actually AI for you, but it's not a big problem, you know. For font size for Excel. So it's like, do we have more XLs? We RAM. Okay, 5 XL is the bigger one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about like not wanting to work for a corporate, but although like tomorrow I have a chat about my Google interviews, and I think I had a good one last week for some other company as well. So I don't know. I mean, I will see. I will see. I might like actually Google for a while, but I'd rather actually I will actually keep on doing that anyway. I will keep on doing those live streams because they are fun. And again, if you guys are interested in live streams together, I would be happy to do that. If you have anything interesting to show, that might be fun. Actually, like tomorrow I'm sort of teaching some Indian guy Python. I don't know how it's gonna go because I'm not really preparing for that. And I don't know if I can teach him. But the thing is, like, you know, teaching programming is very individual in my opinion. You just you just have to like want to do it. Then you just spend your time, your free time. That's the most important. And it's probably with anything. Like, it's not like someone can teach me playing violin now. I mean, someone can show me some basics, but if I'm not learning it in my free time, if I'm not devoting my time to it, it's gonna be them wasting time, unless I pay them well. Zoom out. Oh, here. Zoom out. Good. Reset zoom. Oh, okay. I fixed my chat. No, not here. So I'm just like, I'm fighting with my OBS, which is OBS is, if you don't know, it's a podcasting software. I mean, live streaming software. Okay, the next one will be... Okay, I like this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, that's nice. This is cool. Okay, let's just have this button. Okay, I kind of keep on telling it to use normal buttons for everything. Yeah, why don't you just... Yeah, it's just like kind of annoying sometimes because like now it's redefining a button. So it's just a button. I just want a normal button. Where's my button? Primary button. Okay, mixins button. Yeah, this is what I want actually. Don't be redefining those buttons. Is this like what I... And why is this file not being recorded? Okay, I think that's gonna work now. Primary button. Okay, where is... No. Book button. Yeah, let's just go. Yeah, there's something funny with this file. It's not being recognized as a... mixins button. Yeah, let's do this. Why don't you just use that? And I think I have mixins into theme, yes? Do I have mixins here? No. Me button. Oh, it doesn't really... Mixins. Yeah, okay, so where am I in index? Where are my mixins important? Here. Okay, so the events are the same level? Yes. What's this actually? Maybe if I remove... I don't know why. Why do you like not? Why don't you like me? Events. I got events pages, and there is this event T6 template. Oh, okay, I don't know. Oh, okay, yes, it's a template. Although, like now, I want it to be the blue one. Shit. Why don't you? Why do you? Oh no, mixins. Dot. Oh, that was in event, yes. Mixins dot button. I don't know. Oh, I'm getting so lost in my app. I mean, it's an. Okay, where's the button though? Button. Do we have like a? Other version of button? How do they actually? How does it implement it on the other pages? Okay, so the main one is white actually. Oh, what's this one then? Wake up! Wake up! What's the name? Gatsby, wake up! Okay. About me button. That should be like another button type. Oh, okay, it's another. So it should be a mixing. Okay, I will just ask my AI. I like this about me button. Let's move it to mixins as another design buttons, and let's use it on my event page. Event template. Yeah, why not? Why don't you use it here? Do I have any buttons here? Okay, I will have to make this page prettier. So I have like the workshop. That's another thing. Okay, that's a oh, this is actually not something that I will. This one will be. I wanna. I remember. I remember. I remember. I wish I remembered what I was going to say. This is yeah. But basically, I wanted to. I think I will have like a coupon that you can buy, and the gallery needs to be filled up with stuff. So I have my workshops, my events. Good. That's rental. A home page. Ooh, this is slow. Home page, which is okay. This is okay. So rental, shop, gallery. Shop will be actually with things, with actual products, because we have actually my wife is doing those really nice handcraft things that we are ready to sell. Actually, I think we will be selling almost everything she's making here. We just need to figure out how to actually package it and stuff. But it's a good. Okay, so she wants to sell those things. This one, that one, that one. Yeah, so 4 of them will go to the shop, and you can buy them. That's not cheap, obviously. That's like 100 euros, 120 euros, but there are lots of work and lots of people. So there are some people who are ready to pay for this thing even more. So let them do it. Let them happily spend money on their things. Okay, let's just use this. No, that's not the template I want. On a square. Or actually, that's fine. Can I just paste it here? No? Okay, this design is broken. Oh no, maybe not. Oh, because this is editing file. There's some styling for. So what about this one? 800. Yeah, let's do square. Now I think it should be uploaded here, no? Oh, here, yeah. Oh, no, so square is not a good... Unless I just do this. No, so let's just have a rectangle. Can I resize it here? Maybe here? No. Resize. Okay, that's a premium. Okay. Oh, I have a premium. Good. Instagram Reel. Yeah, let's just have this. Oh, come on. Open. That's okay. I don't need a mobile video. Okay. File. Create new design. Website. Okay, what's this? Yeah, this is a good size actually. And then I'll export it as image. I think that should work. No? No, that's too big. Yeah, okay. So this... Yeah, this is good. Add section. I'll try to export those as a individual images, and I think that will be okay. Maybe I should just use the originals. Yeah, because this is cutting it down. What about if I remove background here? And have a white background. No, that sucks. Okay, let's just... okay, no, that's just... Canva is not good for images. I mean, sometimes I use it, but like sometimes I really hate it. I think even GIMP is better. Let's just go GIMP. Yeah, GIMP. Or maybe GIMP. I don't know. We should make a poll. Okay, 3 votes. Everyone says they want it. Good. I like that. Maybe I have those pictures somewhere. No. No. Okay, I don't know. These are actually nicer pictures. Irina! Irina! Podejdziesz na chwilę? To nie jest lepsze zdjęcie? To nie jest lepsze zdjęcie od takich?
No też można wziąć.
Bo to jest od razu z opakowaniem i z wszystkim.
Tak, ale z innej strony ja bym chciała może jedno i drugie wrzucić, bo ja bym
Dobra.
chciała, żeby to było, wiesz, wszystkie tak Boże, jak to się nazywa.
No. A skąd gdzie one są te zdjęcia, co ty wrzuciłeś? Bo to z Worda to jest tutaj, to trzeba kopiować i wrzucać, nie wiem gdzie nawet.
Na kanwie.
No na kanwie, a gdzie, skąd je wrzuciłeś? Gdzie je wrzuciłeś na kanwę? Bo chcę oryginały, bo ja sobie mogę, lepiej mi się z nimi pracuje niż...
Dobra, ale czemu ty się denerwujesz?
Nie, no po prostu pytam. Aha, okej. Dobra.
Chcę, żeby po prostu wszystkie takie same były, a ja nie mam wszystkich sylanek tak samo zrobionych.
Aha, a czemu takie same? Bo tu
Bo
na przykład...
ładnie to wygląda na produktach, kiedy wszystkie sylanki
Mhm.
sfotografowane w ten sam sposób, według mnie.
Okej, okej.
Tak trzeba pomóc.
Discussion. So, this one. That's... Where the hell we have it? Here? No, no, no. Here, okay. So, where's my website then? Now? Okay, website. Public, no. Pages, images. Not product. Products. So, maybe should I make images? Okay, maybe just folders. Okay, that's what I would do. And then do I have this as a alternative image of this one? It's the same. Do you have like other images on in the other folder? Do you have this one as well? Is it that one? Yeah, that's the one. Some of those things are obviously done quicker through like WordPress or something, but like with the thing is, like, I kind of grew to not to like WordPress anymore. Like, some things are quicker in one place and some things are quicker in the other place, and then you just don't know. Product 2. Like, for example, for WordPress does really good resizing stuff. Can I just drop it here? No, probably not. What about the other one? Do I have it on the alternative picture? Oops. No, 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 no. Sorry. Sorry, wife. So I have this one. Good. How about that one? Do we have it here somewhere? No. I have this one on the other pictures. So many pictures here. Okay. Okay, so this one. Okay, I have to find it in the other folder. New folder. Where is it? Folder Explorer. Okay. Pictures, websites, and cache. Nope. So what was the second one? This one, okay. Yeah, here. Yep, that's the one. Okay, so those two. What's the preferred product? This one, okay. Is this the one? Here. It's not here. Okay. Is the one with... That's the one with black, yes. That's product 3. Product 3. And the white one. I think it should have a bit more contrast. That's the one. That's the white one. Yeah. No, that's not the one. This one. Product 4. Product 4. Okay, that's good. I have all of them. Now all the fun GIMP work. I think I will have to make them a bit more, you know, especially this one. Contrast here is quite low. Open with GIMP. Close. So let's just image, resize, scale image. Yeah, I don't need that much. 1200 will be enough. Yeah. Actually, let's just have like 2000 image. Or maybe, actually, yeah, that was good. Image, where is scale again? 1500. Yeah, that's a good. Okay, and now can I have a image? How do I like color balance? Let's see that. Oh, okay, that's a hard one. Should I use more cyan or more other stuff? I want to have color temperature. Can I like... No, I don't want to change temperature by that much. Let's just image, color, hue, saturation. I think that's the one. Just add more hue. That's hue adding. That's saturation. No. Let's make it lighter. No, I don't. None of them is good actually. Where's contrast? Curves. Oh, maybe curves will be. Like in Photoshop you could, yeah, you could do this. Okay, let's try this. Still not brightness contrast. Oops, that's a lot. Let's add brightness. Can I make it brighter a bit? Yeah, I actually don't like this picture, to be honest. It's very very flat. Okay, but that's... Okay, that's actually better. Ooh, image resize. Oh, actually, the second version. I shouldn't... The thing is like... Where's the redo? Undo history. Redo scale image. Yes, okay. Okay, so probably that the original was good. Overwrite. Export as. Yeah, that's product 4. Quality probably then doesn't need to be this high. Export. This is like a really slow process. Okay, so this one I can remove. Product 3. Yeah, this is a slow process. I'm sorry I have to... sorry you have to watch all of that. Or maybe you don't. You can always tell... Okay, that's not... it's just new one. Discard changes. Yeah, let's do this. And image, scale image. 1500 was good. Size, scale. And what about auto? Do we have like auto? Ooh, white balance. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, auto white balance. Yeah, let's just export as. This will be picture 1. Export. Yeah, and like 95% export. GIMP is very like rudimentary. Is it the word I'm looking for? Very like basic in terms of like what you can do with it. Always like I liked actually Photoshop for that. But like I don't want to pay for Photoshop anymore. And I don't really feel good in like stealing it. White balance. Yeah, it's still better, I think. Override. Yeah, okay, let's just close Discord changes. Products, product 4, product 2. Yeah, both of them. So this one, let's just how do I like scale proportionally in GIMP? Okay, this is how I do it. Okay. Yeah, colors. Oh, I did that already. White balance. Oops. Edit. Control Y. Okay, Control Y. That's a different shortcut than I'm expecting. Image. Zealous crop, whatever that means. Yeah, let's have 1500. Scale. And this will be the second picture. Oh, is this like export? File. Save as. Yeah, that's a save as. But like it's cutting it down. It's not showing it. Let's just do export. Yeah, that's GIMP for you. That's picture 2. Yeah, let's just have it exported. And 85-ish. Discard changes. Yeah, and this is pretty. Image, scale image. Yeah, 1500. Yeah, okay, did I already do like image, color, auto balance or something? Ooh, this is too much. Color auto balance. Yeah, that's a nice one. Image, scale image. Oh, that's actually done. And I can export. That's export as number 1. Basically, I'm calling them 1, 2, 3, so it's easier for my GIMP to actually know, not GIMP, my Gatsby to know what to do with it. Discard. And you probably know, like, you're probably gonna tell me that there is a quicker way to do it. Probably there is. Although sometimes the familiar is quicker. Something that I know is better than something I don't know. There's probably like a way of scripting even the GIMP to do that automatically. So it's like in Photoshop you can record like step by step script for it, so it will actually go step by step, like one by one changes. So if you like resize and then change color and then export, it will actually do that for you one after, like to just do it in sequence for multiple items, which is really cool actually. So it's like automating. And I wouldn't be surprised if the same thing was available in GIMP, but I never actually figured, like I never learned it. So some automations, or maybe there should be always one picture. Ooh, this is a nice price. I think my wife is, yeah. But the thing is, like we have this website anyway. So if there are prices that are high, they're like really high prices, and the website doesn't really cost us extra for having it there, and we don't want to sell this for too cheap. So that actually makes sense, in my opinion. So let's just have a please select without picture. Okay, so probably I have to do enter here. Yeah, is it? Why is it this, like, why is it doing this stupid move around? Yes, okay. Yeah, I have couple products to add. I like my design now for my event. Let's do similar for products. First product is this. Okay, this is description for first product is below. Picture in folder in images, products 1.jpg. Yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, I think it will do like a decent job with my products, and I hope it's gonna be nice. La, 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 la. Very nice music, isn't it? Ladies dancing, guys jumping, all of that. I actually like this one, yeah. I think I said it many times. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so I have actually this ticket, but I don't want to do it. I will actually remove that ticket. Okay. Do you know like any good hosting for like the thing is like, okay, I'm looking for a good hosting provider where I could actually launch multiple websites. Or maybe I actually have HomePal. Maybe I should do it here. It's like only in Polish, unfortunately, so when I will be showing you, I can translate it. I have to figure out how to publish here, because this is like super, like, it's very, not very expensive service. I like actually how it's doing things, how they're doing things here. Although I couldn't figure out other day how to do FTP here. And maybe I should actually try again today. And then when I publish my sites here, I can buy domains here as well for a good price. Okay, whatever. So I have like a couple of domains here, and like I just need like a server where I can publish things. Yeah, I have databases here. I think 100 gigabytes. Even for this, it's good. So I just wanna. I will have to actually learn how to manage this this server with multiple domains, with and publish multiple products to it. I've got some MySQL, Postgres here, which is good. I can have 5 Postgres instances, which is enough. Oh, mailing lists. Ooh, mailing list. That's a nice and useful feature. I have to figure out. Oh, some email. Okay, that's fine. Although, like, I was trying the other day to figure out FTP, and couldn't really get it there. Okay, so I can't have multiple domains here, so that's also... Oh, actually I can. I can probably assign to this one, and then like... Or maybe not. Yeah, so I have a problem with my servers. Like, I don't really like how it's running now. I have just so many of them, and I should actually start bringing everything into one place. Maybe actually... Ocean. Other day I was checking the DigitalOcean. I kinda liked it, I think. Pricing calculator. Choose your type of droplet. I don't know what that means even. Third CPU. General purpose. Okay, let's just get that. Choose CPU option with SSD. Virtual machine NV. Me. Okay. I don't know what that even. Why do I care about SSD? Choose plan. 8 gigabytes. 2 CPU. That's probably RAM. Oh, that's already quite a lot. That's probably way more than I want to pay. This is even more. What about basic? Oh, okay, that's for 4 per month. But like, how much I get? That's half a gigabyte. Actually, but to scale it up, it's not that much. So for 12, I can have a... Do you want to block storage for a plan? Add block storage. I don't know. Let's have 50 gigabytes. Yeah, 5 per month. That's fine. Probably 100. It's just 10. Yeah, let's have backups. Let's have 50 here for now. Weekly. 4 to 24. Choose your backup frequency. Daily. Yeah, can I have a daily? Add to estimate. That's a good price, actually. I wonder if I can have like multiple domains. This doesn't give me compute, database, networking. What about networking? Okay, load balanced. Traffic is distributor. Okay, for now I don't really care. VPC. Space, developer tools, support plans. Yeah, that's something to figure out. Maybe DigitalOcean, but like I already have a couple of them, so maybe like and I, for example, I quite enjoy render. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's another problem to solve in a while. Because I have multiple servers now, and instead of just buying new ones for new products, I should get one that is good and figure it out how to do it like properly, how to do it correctly. But maybe that's a tool for another day. Think for another day. Okay, did it actually create those pages? Products JSON, products template updated, shop T6. Oh, okay, I should probably have to refresh now. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's just paste another 3 products. Next product is oops, where is it here? Second product. Yeah, the thing is, like, I've got individual pages for products, although on the front page I still want to show them. Maybe I should show them smaller in a different layout. Yeah, and like, let's just go on with copying the text. Oh, where is it? Oh, shit. Oh, no. Copying this thing is not really easiest thing. Why? Here. I can just remove this image. Yes, can I? And this one. Yeah, and this one, and it's gonna be quicker. Oh, that's the second one I'm already doing. Yep, 2 more. And 2 more. Please! That'd be nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab a coffee, I'm gonna grab a break for now. Be back in 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, see you in a bit. Yeah, good break. Good break, very useful. Okay. Oh, that's okay for the Mumbai break. Yes, yes, good. Nice to see you. Yeah, let's go on. Let's go on with the website. Let's see what's breaking. What's breaking? Yeah, as I'm saying, like the refresh here in Gatsby is not my favorite. It's a bit longer than I wanted, but yeah, it's longer than like Next or React project. All products JSON query. Multiple unhandled GraphQL errors found. So what's wrong with this? Okay, just give it to AI. Probably I could fix it myself, but cannot query. Some errors are showing. This is a good thing about vibe coding. And AI, like, for example, if I, although like debugging is useful, but the thing is like, if I wanted to give away something and never ever use it, I think debugging would be my favorite. Although like you can't be good, like you can't be good programmer without knowing how to debug. But now with AI, like you can bounce that by AI. Before it used to be like you'd search that error and then sometimes you'd learn them. Yeah, sometimes you would learn them obviously, but oh, I should have actually. But like the thing is like it's not that useful. I think. I mean, it's okay. I should form my thoughts. I shouldn't be blabbing so much. I guess like sometimes it's useful when you when you don't have AI. Okay, this is unnecessary. Yeah. What about yeah? Okay. When I am okay. Yeah. So this is unnecessary. Shop page shop. Yeah. Okay. No, not JSON. Shop there's TSX and subtitle as well. Let's remove this one. I don't like it. Yeah, maybe with time I will have to do categories and stuff. So we'll have like a there will not only be those, there will also be like coupon codes. Yeah, okay. Run dev. Although it's running already. Yeah, it doesn't know that the script is start. You idiot. Like it's read. Packet JSON to see what the correct script name is. Develop. It's not gonna be develop. Is it? Although yes, maybe. Okay. But, no, let's just skip this. I think that's let's just skip this. No, just ignore this. I think this is not really helpful. Yeah, sometimes, you know, despite what I just said about AI being good for debugging, let's see actually, maybe if I maybe I just need to restart that thing. Because this worked actually now. Oh, and here I have to make this work. Tradycyjna Sylanka Karpacka. Okay, so then this page is not here. Okay. Okay, I don't seem to have like individual page. Yeah, okay, let it load basically. Do you think I can finish like entire page with deploying it today? I wonder if it's possible. No, this is sweet. Okay, what happened now? Okay, we just have products. I think that there's something. Yeah, let's load it and see how it works now. So we have this. We have shop here. Is this fruits of interpret? No, something broken with my shop. Okay, well, we'll have to fix that. Okay, so I've got product 3. Okay. Yeah, let's redo this. Okay, I don't know what now. My office is like the coldest place except garage in my house now. I don't really know why. Maybe because there are windows from both sides. So there's window from the north and from the east, or from the west actually, north and west. I don't really get much sun here. Although it's minus how much? Minus 12 now outside. So it's not the nicest, I guess, out there. Could be warmer. I can't wait till it gets warmer, because then I can bring my camper and start working on it as well. I'll do live streams from my camper, how I'm actually fixing things. And I don't know why I'm going here, to this website. Let's see. Yeah, this page is kinda broken. No, not here. Okay, let's see if let's refresh that. No products. Ah, shit. Oh, okay, it seems to be trying to load something. Is the script any useful? Is there any use for this script? What does it do? Yeah, it says it should be running on that port. Okay. Don't see any products. I'm getting this message. Yeah, okay, go, ignore this. Stop this craziness, please. Stop this craziness. Yeah, okay, now I think we can go for the script, because it's doing something silly now. Let's see how much okay. I wanted to see how much I used up. But I forget where it's actually manage models. No. Yeah, I don't know. Somewhere we can somewhere check the credits. Because sometimes later I will move to Grok, which for some reason I think it's almost equal to the other ones. Although I think it's not like the Claude seems to be good with frontend, a bit better. It does bit like a little better on frontend than the other ones. Yeah, okay. Where's my shop? Come on, I want my shop back. Give me my shop back, please. Like my items, shop items. Products, yeah, they're called products, obviously. No, I think it's adding some code, is it? Summarizing conversation history. I don't know why this is necessary, but let it do it. Yeah, go on, Gatsby. Do your magic. Okay, run start. But I'm running start anyway. Let's just close this terminal. Okay. Maybe now it will actually look better. Yeah, good. Okay, yeah. Do I have a products now? Do I have a products? that's a bad grammar. Do I have any products? Or do I have no products at all? Still, my shop doesn't show anything. Yeah. Nope. My shop doesn't show anything. Nope, still my shop doesn't show anything. We're unfortunate set of events, yes. Doesn't show me. Doesn't show me any product. I wonder if I like, or maybe not. What's this? Oh, not nice. Is this like a car or like a truck? Looks interesting. LinkedIn is my last remaining social media plus YouTube. Oh, and actually, no, I'm lying. I'm on TikTok as well. Although, like, I rarely actually check it now. I think it's just it's too AI for me. Okay, I don't know. TikTok is bit and like I'm betting that wherever it's okay. This is what I'm getting all the time now. Like AI cats and AI dogs. This is obviously not real. Like, yeah. Let's see my profile. If I got any views. No. Like on TikTok you just get everything at one point and that's it. And if you didn't get anything initially, then nothing. Like TikTok is stupid. Oh yeah. Where are my products, dude? Yeah, hello. Okay. Oh, the cache. Yeah, I forgot the famous cache. Would you like to port instead? Oh, okay. I'm gonna run it on 2 ports now, yes? Okay, 8001. Are you gonna show it nicer to me? Is it gonna be there? Is my app running? Found it. The error is clear. Unable to parse JSON. File products JSON. Syntax error. Blah blah blah. Okay, something. Yes. sometimes I'm wondering if I'm actually quicker with AI now. Okay, like initially it was pretty quick, but now it's like I think those things I would actually do quicker. I would debug them quicker than this bastard. It's like for me, like I would just check JSON, whatever the values are coming from the backend. Sorry, from the JSON file, obviously. I would see what's coming from. It is like an essential tool to get noticed in the job market, and YouTube is where you show your work. So I wouldn't say that they are exactly your personal social media presence. Yeah, I mean, the thing is like, yes, but I'm not on Facebook, so I'm like, I would say, like, I'm not really. No, but LinkedIn is social media basically. It's like obviously it's work-ish, but like there is a lot of like social media drama as well. Just slightly different, you know. It's dressed as a bit more professional, and people are sometimes a bit more boring, you know. So some people on Facebook they can be fun, you know, some rants and stuff, and people get upset obviously over Facebook and stuff. So it can be fun actually in times. Okay, this one is broken. Yeah, okay, needs to. Yeah, this is perfect. JSON is now valid. Why was it invalid? Am I still on 8001 or 8000? Don't remember. Okay, so like the poll said that I should be doing. Not many people voted, but that's fine. Yeah. So I wouldn't say like, yeah, I mean, obviously LinkedIn and you know, YouTube, Facebook are obviously they have different band. I'm also on X, although I never actually go there. X.com. Sometimes I just like paste things, copy and paste straight to X and then just leave it there. And probably that's why I'm not really getting any response from people. Previews of this post, that's nothing. So also that's probably why I get nothing here. I just paste things here. So maybe I should be more controversial or more fun. But that would mean that I would have to spend more time and get much more excited about X, which I don't find that interesting. Yeah, no? Okay. Oh, that's 8008. Obviously, that's a wrong port. Oh, hey, good. We have them. Here they are. Okay, good. We have them. Let's also have some products on front page. Will right above the contact section. Also, let's make the how the product items much smaller front page and maybe fit in columns of 4. Yeah, okay. 4 columns in 4 columns. In 4 columns. Yeah. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, this is cool. So about me. Oh, so this should be before about me. It's more commercial, I guess. Or maybe not actually. Maybe here. Web will be good here as well. Is this working? Yes, working. Yeah, the good thing about like now I would be have to be writing code, so that's, you know, it's a bit lazier in a way. I'd have to be like, you know, copying some stuff, writing some stuff, and maybe that's why that's where it's quicker actually. And maybe I wouldn't add 170 lines in the 5 minutes that it took. You are currently working on the front end only, yeah? No backend. No, not for this one. I don't know like this will actually have much of a backend. Maybe later. I don't know. I might actually build something, but don't know if that's necessary. Yeah, just front end for now. Okay, so let's just have an on index. Yeah, this website. Yeah, as I'm saying, like I don't know if I will ever have a backend here, because like here, I have just a JSON file that's listing things, and based on that, it's generating it. So basically, like in Gatsby, if you ever worked with it, backend is only to feed your static pages, and then it's generating your static pages from backend. And that's, you know, you could equally do it with JSON in this case. Okay, let's just change layout here. I used to like I had one website with Gatsby some time ago where my backend was just WordPress site, and then there was a plugin for like making it into JSON, and then out of that, like it would generate those things. But like the thing is like, yeah, with Gatsby you don't really need backend as such, you know. Yeah. Why is there so much break here? Because it's actually product section heading. This should just use normal heading. Container styles. It's like so inconsistent. Yeah, it's so inconsistent actually. Because it's creating styles for each of them. Yeah, just have 5 pixels. 5 pixels and like that, not this much. Let's have 6 actually. Not 16, 6. Yeah, it's just adding too much stuff here. Oh, and this, oh. Let's just remove this title actually, totally. Yeah, I don't need that actually. And maybe the section, product section, should have like a bit more. Oh, actually it has so much. I don't know. Why is it? It's actually funny, like for some reason those theme spacings don't work. Only 4 pixels. I think now it should be a bit better. And the background here also will be background. Color, theme, background light. Accent. Why there's 20? No, I don't need 20. Color. It's fine. Let's see how it's actually gonna look now. Maybe I should do it as here or as workshops. I don't know. I'm just, yeah. This takes me too long, maybe. Oh, it broke. npm run start. Why did it broke or? Reached heap limit. Allocation failed. Ooh, this looks scary. But that's just for my development here. It should restart it quickly. And I don't like this error. De-optimized. Maybe like, okay, let's just give this error to. The thing is like when it generates files later. Have we started on responsiveness of the layout? No, I don't know actually. Let me just check how responsive it looks. I would say it looks pretty responsive so far. Let's see my shop. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yes, I did all the responsiveness I need. Although now I can't go to different pages. So my top nav should be somewhere here. Let's see rental. Okay, rental is not ready yet. Let's see this one. I think it's cool. I think it's responsive. Although I can't go between pages, so my top nav should actually include that. So maybe I will remove those on the... Yeah, okay, let's just next one will be redoing the top nav to 1. It will actually hide the social media stuff on mobile. Or maybe not. It could actually keep it and keep those, but like it will just have them expand. But yeah, in terms of responsiveness, I'm actually pretty happy how it's actually doing it. It does quite a good job so far, and without any libraries. What about if I go to one of those events? No, it's good. Yeah, I think it's good. I like how it looks. Maybe there's too much space here. This is a bit... whatever. Let's make my top nav more responsive when it's mobile. I want to have a hamburger menu on the top right. Yeah, like a hamburger menu that expands. Then all the items should all the menu items and social media icons should not disappear, but should show in expanded menu. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a lunch quite soon, so it's not gonna be hamburgers this time, but something different. Now I will update the header to add mobile hamburger menu. Hej, jak tam? Okej, to tak. Tylko chwilę, teraz mi się przebudowuje, więc mi to chwilę zajmie. Czekaj, wejdzie strona główna. To są... to jest warsztaty w sklepie.
Czekaj, a dawaj nie tak szybko, kochany.
A czemu to jest takie? Okej, muszę tutaj sprawdzić. Coś mi skoczyło.
A w górę zjedź.
Aha.
wychodziło, super.
Mhm. Dobra, poczekaj, tylko przejdę. Oj, dobra, teraz mogę odświeżyć. Chyba.
Jest już jedzenie prawie gotowe.
Dobra, okej, to zaraz będę kończył.
A ty nagrywasz, tak?
Broken. A, tak, nagrywam.
Nagrywasz.
Okej, no teraz będzie.
Okej.
Okej. To główna sekcja. Tutaj tak wyglądają te pojedyncze warsztaty. Zobacz tu jaki ja mam.
Co, jaki? Super. A wiesz co, chciałam... Dobra, zjedź na dół, na dół. A zjedź na przycisk wyżej. Wjedź na niego. Okej. Nie, okej. Tutaj tradycyjne rzemiosło, coś się zrobiło, nie?
No. To tam zaraz poprawię. Tutaj będzie zaraz płatności podepnę. No to robi takie jakieś tam, wiesz.
Okej. Poczekaj, a w górę podjedź. Czemuś nie ma żółć, widzisz?
No.
Słońca nie ma,
Okej.
błękit nie ma.
Okej. Nie zauważyłem, ale zaraz ten.
Okej.
Może ta czcionka nie ma polskich.
Może. Ale mi się
Mocno.
podoba ogólnie ta czcionka.
No tak, no ale jeśli nie ma
Tak, to trzeba
polskich
będzie
znaków.
coś zmienić. Nie, po prostu mówię, że mi się podobało.
Mhm. I teraz zrobiłem sklep, to po prostu jest takie coś.
Super.
Jeszcze galeria, wynajem, wydarzenia.
Jeszcze w tę pierwszą stronę. O, i tu galeria będzie.
No
Tak.
to zaraz będzie.
Na pierwszej stronie chciałabym pomyśleć jeszcze o tych takich przewijanych, myślałam, nie? Ale to z czasem może.
Czym przewijanych? To, że przewijanych.
Na samej górze.
A, ten banner. No to dobra, tak będziesz miał więcej tych, to mi dasz. Ja mogę
I
to
powiem
zrobić
ci,
na
że-
dzisiaj. Nie?
Kurczę, trzeba pomyśleć, jakie tam zdjęcia wrzucić.
Mhm.
Bo mi się średnio te
Jasne.
zdjęcie podoba. Trochę szaro tutaj po prostu jest, nie?
No. Nie mam żadnych. Dobra, trzeba będzie poszukać.
Poszukać. A można wcisnąć na zdjęcie, żeby przejść bliżej?
Zaraz zrobię, żeby było.
Okej.
Dobra. Zaraz przyjdę. Czy już gotowe, czy zaraz będzie
gotowe.
gotowe? Okay, I think I'm gonna have a lunch in a minute, as I said. So then I will have this page to finish. This one is fine, this one is okay, and gallery. And connect payments. Ooh, there is a bunch of things to do. So connect payments. Then after payments are done, the next thing will be what? Payments and then deployment. Yeah, payments and deployment. I think it's doable today, but I don't know. We'll see. I said to my wife that I will have it by the end of tomorrow. Maybe I wish I think I will try to have it today, but if it doesn't work that way. Oh, okay. So this is nice. Yeah, this is cool actually. And one thing is there's no close button. Is no close button on that. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. So I gonna have another live stream later. I think. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure I will have that. I will have dinner, then a walk in the fields, and then I will work again. So thanks, Elevate with PPB for your for writing. Yeah, as I said, if you are interested in live stream, I could do that. That would be fun. I guess it sounds like you have interesting product on your hands. And if any of you, yeah, we'll try to join. Cool. If you guys want to talk about your products, I'll be happy to invite you for live stream. We could have like a, as long as you need, like 10, 15 minutes, half an hour. Okay, let's keep that. And for now, I think I will give up with work. No button yet. Yeah, we have a button here. Good. Obviously, you can click here or just change page. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. So yeah, 2 more pages, bit of cleaning up, and the important stuff, payments and deployment. So someone can actually see it online and pay for things online as well. Yeah, see you guys later and have a nice afternoon. Cheers.